Evening and welcome to the Allen County Science Fair, Year 43. I am the judge and host of this event, Henrietta J. Burgers, Doctor, PhD in too many categories to list. I am going to ask questions of these finalists from the Regional Science Fair, and I will be asking questions and awarding prizes. Let's begin. What do we have here? This project is titled, Which is Better for Seeing Things in a Microscope? Straight up or down light or side light? Sir, could I borrow your pen, please? I have forgotten mine.
Sir.
And I must take many notes. Thank you, sir. Please tell me your name and what you did.
My name is Penelope Pumpernickel, and I did which works better, top light, bottom light, or side light. So basically, what you do is I have two different microscopes, and my dad helped with everything.
Your dad helped you with this?
My dad helped me with it, and sometimes my mom, and sometimes my cousin, and sometimes my cousin's stepbrother.
Yes.
But so when you do like big, thick things, you like a circuit or like a pumpkin stem or like a bug, you use top or bottom light.
I see.
And
Yes, those are much more explicit with the light from the top.
And if you use thin things like spilt milk or salt, then you use the side light because it's thin.
You're right. What about this is bottom light? What is this?
That is a pumpkin stem. It is thick, and it is also a bottom light. And
Actually, it's a slice. That would make it thin. Yes, I think someone else helped you a little on this one.
my mom helped me type it out.
Oh, okay. This looks like a lot of work, and it's a good thing you had a lot of help to get it done. Well, I have to say that this is a fine application of the scientific method, and I'm going to award you a special award, a trip to space camp.
Say 0G.
0G. Thank you very much, and on to our next project. Well, this one is titled, Can Plants Live on Mars? Haven't we always wondered that? Please tell me your name and what you did.
My name is Gwendolyn W. Fordley II, and I tested whether or not plants could live on Mars.
As it says, yes. Looks very difficult. Did you have any help?
No, I did it all by myself.
What
I
about
borrowed-
the equipment?
I borrowed that from school.
Well, you did do it all yourself. Okay. That is very interesting. Well, tell me what you did. So, did you recreate the conditions on Mars?
Yes, I recreated the air pressure, CO2 level, temperature, and the type of water in the soil.
Okay, well, it says here that the temperature on Mars is between 70 degrees Fahrenheit, that's comfortable, but down to minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And that is at the equator, the most temperate zone on Mars. How did you recreate that for your plants?
I put the plants in the freezer, and I used a temperature to measure the level, or to measure the
That's quite a freezer you have. Well, how about the air pressure? It says here that air pressure is 1% of what it is on Earth. How did you create
I
that?
used a vacuum pump to thin out the air, and I breathed into the plants, add CO2.
That's brilliant. And here's a picture of you breathing into it. Is this your vacuum? Is that you?
That's my cousin.
Well,
She's always messing with my project.
oh, I see. Well, she's just trying to be helpful. This is very good, very good. So did you find any plant on Earth that can survive on Mars?
Well, since I started late, I apologize. I only got to use Indiana plants. But according to my research, some plants can grow where there is low air pressure, like on the top of mountains, or where it's very cold, like in the Arctic.
That makes sense.
So therefore,
So your conclusion?
yes, those plants could grow on Mars, just not Indiana plants.
Oh, that's good. No, your conclusion logically follows your data, but I noticed that your hypothesis right here is a misspelling. It's not how you spell marigold. There's no E on the end. And in your materials list, yes, right here, you do not list the styrofoam cups. So I'm sorry. I can't give you a first or second, but I can give you a red ribbon, which is not really second place, it's just a red ribbon, but it's a birthday bash at the Bagel Barn.
It expires in 2 weeks.
Happy birthday!
Lawsuit.
And what do we have here? This project is titled, Are This Pond and Puddle Connected by Groundwater? Please tell me your name and what you did.
My name is Wally Brickhauser and I made this project.
Well, yes, you did. It looks like a fun outdoorsy project. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I jumped in the mud a lot. My mom's like, ew, Wally, get in the muck. If it was quicksand, it would swallow you whole.
That's a good warning. It could happen. What question were you trying to answer?
What can I do to pass 5th grade?
Ah, so they're giving extra points for entering the science fair.
Well, not just that, I had to do the worksheets I had shoved in my desk. I couldn't even close it.
I see. Well, let's talk about your science project. Let's see. You were wondering is this the puddle and this is the pond?
No, that's the pond. This is the puddle.
I see. Okay. And you were wondering if they're connected by groundwater. Do you know what groundwater is?
Water underground?
Very good. Very good. And so, if the water in one side went down, what do you think would happen to the water on the other side if they are connected by groundwater?
They would level off. It would go down too. I mean, it's only fair.
Fairness, yes, that doesn't happen much in science, but that's a good answer. How did you conduct your test?
Well, first my mom got a wooden board and put it on the ground. She made sure it was level. She kept saying it had to be level.
Yes, level is very important, and that is it. And it looks level. I mean, that's a level on the level board.
Sure.
Did you help her lay the board out?
Nope.
Did you do anything at all to help with the board?
I mean, I touched it.
Okay. That's nice of your mother to let you touch it. Now, so you use this to measure the water level.
My mom found 2 of my school rulers I had shoved under all those worksheets,
Yes.
and she taped them onto the board where they were just barely touching the water.
So then you could tell if the water level had changed. Your mother's pretty smart. Okay, and then what?
I got to bail buckets of water.
Oh, that must have been fun. So one side was lower than the other, and then what happened?
We ate lunch because my mom said, we have to come back here in a few hours. Leave your shoes outside too, Wally.
Yes, and then after lunch, you went back outside, you looked at the pond and the puddle, and what did you see?
I don't remember, but I do remember finding this bullfrog and I shot it out of my potato gun. They explode on impact.
Do you remember anything else?
Not really.
Okay. Well, sadly, there's no box on my assessment checklist for scientific understanding and analysis, so your project scores very high.
Yay!
I mean, it's all here. Your data charts and graphs are all very clear and full of data. Your close-up photographs are very well done. You could give our photographer lessons on that.
I don't think so.
And you've got your hypothesis, your methods, your data, your procedure, your conclusion, multiple experiments. It's all there. I can find nothing wrong with it. So Wally, I have to award you Best in Show Blue Ribbon, a scholarship award for a 4-year degree at Dartmouth College.
Dartmouth, is that a hard school? And did you say 4 years?
Say unforeseen.
I can't say big words.
On to the next project. Am I
Want to trade
reading
your Dartmouth for my bagel bar?
Sure. Oh my gosh, thank you.
New chapter for you. This has got a lot of stuff on it. Okay. Oh, am I reading this correctly? Can I slow down or speed up time?
Yes, my name is Nikki Nashville, and I built a machine that can slow down and speed up time.
You did, right? I don't know. What do you call it?
I call it the time control actuator. I have a demonstration.
But it says it pushes time.
Oh yes,
I can use an electric field to change the speed of time. Time is just the speed that atoms oscillate, and if you can speed them up with an electric field, you slow down time.
if you slow them down, you can speed it up.
I have been a scientist for over 75 years, and I've never heard of such a thing.